And now it is raining. I have a bit of a confession to make, lads. I'm terrified of riding in the rain. Reason being, the last time I rode in properly wet weather was about 2 years ago. I'm not joking, it's been that long since I've really ridden in proper rain. And it was on a rented Harley Davidson Sportster in Austin, Texas. And I binned it. I was going about 5 miles an hour, which is 8 kilometers an hour in Strahan. And I ended up just losing the back end of it when I was turning into a Walmart car park to take shelter. I have no idea how it happened to this day. Couldn't honestly tell you. I put my traction control in wet mode. Needless to say, the Sportster did not have traction control. So yeah, that's my secret shame. I'm sure my viewers in the UK and Ireland and Western Canada are probably pissing themselves laughing now, but there you go, lads. I am terrified of riding in the rain. But I was going to have to do it eventually, and it looks like that time is now. So I guess all I can do is take it easy, keep my lean angles to a minimum. Oh good God, it is pelting. And try not to stack it. Oh God! It is really, really, really coming down now. Okay, that little squall there is hopefully the worst of it. And I can get home without, you know, being soaked to the bone. I'm wearing, of course, my warm weather perforated jacket, so I am already soaked to the bone, and it's getting heavy again. Lovely. So yeah, I'm already wetter than an otter's pocket. Go riding in the wet season, they said. Be fun, they said. Oh, thank God it's not a busy road and I don't have some impatient arsehole driving a millimetre from my back wheel in a four-wheel drive wondering why I'm not going faster. Hello, cows! God, it's been a while since there was any cows in a Paddy Outback video. Just wipe my lens off. Yeah, I'm absolutely drowned here. Not pleasant. Okay, just take it nice and easy through these bends. The road, thankfully, isn't particularly soaked at the moment, given that it's the temperature's still 26 degrees according to my temperature gauge, so it'll evaporate pretty much as soon as it hits the bitumen, which means unless we get a sustained squall, it's probably not going to settle on the road too much. Oh God, I am wet through. Well, it seems to be passing now, folks. But there, riding in heavy rain was one of my biggest fears. I seem to have come out of it relatively unscathed, if not a bit cold and damp. But it wasn't too bad. I think the water is going to stay in those clay pans for a little while yet by the looks of it. Just wipe my lens off. Yep, they'll be full for a while. Man, it's pretty around here. howling wind and ridiculously heavy rain aside. Well, it's not ridiculously heavy anymore, but it is definitely raining. And roadworks. Alright kids, catch you all soon. Good luck.